If you are struggle with your diabetes, this is the best home remedy for you. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, leave your comments and share this video with your friends.
Hello everyone, my name is Nurse Rena Kadu. This video has been made for you. If you are being diagnosed with diabetes, this is your video today, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends, like, leave your comments below, and I would like to know where you are watching this video. Please let me know, leave it down in your comments, guys, and I will be happy to assist you. Like I said, please don't forget to subscribe this video. This home remedy is 100%. If you are on my Facebook, unfortunately this full video is not available on my Facebook. You will able to watch it on my YouTube at Health for All. Everyone deserves a fair chance at health. Are you ready, guys? So let's go. We're gonna start.
Using chia seeds and apple cider vinegar may help lower blood sugar levels. Here's a simple guide on how to use them effectively. Chia seeds. Measure. Start with 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Prepare. Mix the chia seeds with a glass of water, about 8 ounces. Soak. Let the mixture sit for about 15 minutes to allow the chia seeds to absorb the water and form a gel-like consistency. Consume. Drink the chia seed gel about 30 minutes before a meal. This can help slow down digestion and the absorption of sugars into the bloodstream. Apple cider vinegar. Dilute. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water, about 8 ounces. Optional. You can add a bit of honey or a natural sweetener if the taste is too strong. Drink. Consume the diluted apple cider vinegar 15 to 30 minutes before a meal. Frequency. You can repeat this before each main meal, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Tips. Consistency. Incorporate these practices into your daily routine for the best results. Monitor. Keep track of your blood sugar levels to see how your body responds. Consultation. If you have any medical conditions or concerns, consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. By using chia seeds and apple cider vinegar as part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle, you may help manage blood sugar levels effectively over time. Thank you for watching and listening. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this video. See you next time for another video.
Been taking care of you. And I said, nobody. He said, you been doing this yourself? And I said, yes, sir. I mean, I was cleaning it, and everything, peroxide and Neosporin and the Manuka honey. That was my antidote, And so I said, no, I've been taking care of it. It's like, what? And so he called a nurse. And they took pictures of my foot. Nurses was amazed that my foot was healed. So the doctor, he said, well, all I can do, tell you is to continue to keep dressing it and cleaning it. But he said, I'm going to send you to the wound care next week so they can put your foot in a wound vac and suck the remaining of the discharge. And that was a week later. I'm trying to make it short. And so
take your time, please take time.
And so I kept putting the Manuka honey on. And the next week, when I went to the wound care specialist who was supposed to put the wound vac on it, when the nurse looked at my foot, she was like, who